So here is another fantastic way of not only positioning yourself as an authority within your field, but also racking up that income that you're earning as well. It's increasing the types of products and services that you have available. Now, when we think of authorities, we think of people who have been there and done that. So, for instance, a trainer of trainers, such as myself, has been a trainer before. I had to be a trainer before I became a trainer of trainers. I had to be a business person for a long time before I could become a trainer of business people. So think of all the things that you've had to do in the past to get to where you are now. That will give you some products, services, or knowledge that you may actually be underutilizing. Think of all of the things you know and have learnt in your life to get to where you are now and sell that knowledge or information or byproducts. Now, byproducts, what we mean by this is every single day, with every single job that you do, you're essentially creating a sawdust. Meaning that when we cut wood, we create sawdust. We've cut the wood because we either want to burn it or sell the wood or build something with it, and we often dust away the sawdust and put it in the bin because it's just a byproduct that we don't want. Well, how can we use the sawdust? Because the sawdust can actually be extremely profitable, and of course people do actually use, need and buy sawdust. So people probably want to use, buy and need the byproducts of whatever it is that you're doing. What are your offcuts? Do you have templates or documents in your computer right now that you can take all the confidential information out of, make more generic and start selling? What information and knowledge have you gained as a byproduct of learning whatever it is you needed to learn to do your everyday business? Because when you start passing on templates and knowledge and information about doing what you do, you've suddenly raised yourself above doing that and being the expert in that by passing that knowledge on. It's huge. So think about what's your sawdust, what's your byproducts, and how can you start selling that too.